Hey guys, in this video, I'm just showing you exactly how you can set up a colored ring around your Clubhouse profile picture. So if you've been on Instagram long enough, you've probably already seen a lot of people who have already have, a little colored ring around their profile picture on Instagram, just like this, right? And I just got on a Clubhouse and I figured out how to do it on Clubhouse as well. So I just wanted to create this video, share that with you guys. And you might just be thinking, well, why do I want to put a colored ring around my profile picture? Right? Isn't that just a lot of extra work to do for nothing? Well, actually, people who have a colored ring around the profile picture gets a little bit more visibility, and people are more or less likely to click on your profile as well, because when you are just another user in the sea of other Instagram or Clubhouse user at this point, if people are searching for keywords, say for example someone's searching for business coach, and you just so happen to be a business coach and you have that ring around your profile picture amongst hundreds and thousands of other business coaches on Instagram in that person's search results, the chances of them clicking on your profile probably a little bit higher, just because you have a little bit of flair and emphasis around your picture. So that is why I've added it to mine. You can see it right here. I've added a gold ring because gold is my color, and it's a little bit of a closer look. And in this video, I'm just showing you exactly how you can do that for yourself. Two ways, one of them of how you do it just by yourself, and the other way is where you can just actually download my templates from Canva and even Photoshop, and have it pretty much done for you. All you have to do is swap out your profile picture. So without any further ado, let's just hop right into my computer, share my screen with you, and I'm gonna show you exactly how it's done. All right, so now that you're on my screen, I'm gonna show you exactly how you do it by yourself. This is the first way, a little bit more work, and it's not gonna be exactly perfect. I'm gonna show you just why in a second. So the first thing you're gonna do is go to canva.com, create a file, make sure it's a square file. 500 by 500 is the dimensions that I'm using, right? 500 by 500, it's just a free account. You can do this with Photoshop, you can do this with Illustrator, it really doesn't matter. I just know that a lot of people already know how to use Canva, therefore I'm showing it on Canva. So the first thing you want to do is create that square, and then you're going to change the background color. Okay, you can change it to the color that you want to use for the ring. Let's just say, for example, I'm going to just go with my own color, gold ring. Okay, so I'm going to use gold, and the next thing I'm going to do is go into elements, and then you're going to go into frames down here, and you're just going to click the circle frame. So circle, move it up a little bit, drag it open, and you kind of have to just estimate. Okay, because with this, again, you do it by yourself, it's not going to be exactly perfect. You might have to do it once and try again, upload it to Clubhouse. If it doesn't work, come back and readjust the size. And then next thing I'm going to do is drag one of our profile pictures into Canva. Once that loads up, I'm going to just pull it and put it into the frame, double click, resize it so that my face fits perfectly right there. All right, so this is looking pretty good. You can export this, hit download. File type PNG, right? Select the page, hit download, put it in a Clubhouse, see how that works, okay? And if you get up with the gold frame, that's perfect, amazing, all good. If you want a bit more frame to it, you can always just, size it down a little bit, recenter it, export it again, put it in there, try it out, all good, right? So that's one way how to do it by yourself. The other way, if you want to use my sort of templates for this, you can download it below this video, hit the link. And essentially the reason why I say that the way that you do it by yourself this way isn't going to be exactly perfect is because that the shape of the profile picture on Clubhouse isn't exactly circle, right? It's actually a little bit of a half circle, half square. I'm not sure what the name of the shape is honestly called. It's like notice that it's not a perfect circle. So what I've actually done, and I'm just going to delete this right here because this is going to be the template that I'm giving you guys. I've actually recreated that exact shape so that the frame that you create is going to be the exact same shape and angle as the profile picture on Clubhouse. So if you scroll down, I've created a black one, red one, pink one, purple one, blue, cyan, green, yellow, orange, and a little bit of a call to action down there to follow me. So all you have to do, if you come here, grab my templates, and make your own copy of it, all you have to do is replace the picture on the background. So let's just say I want to use the black one. I would move this to the side, delete this picture, drag my picture in here, put it in the background after I resize it up. Let's just say I want to do it this big. Okay, that's looking about right. Drag this shape back into the center, so you're going to see the purple lines help you with center alignment. So boom, and then boom. Okay, there you go. A little bit off, so I'm going to actually just move it to the left a little bit, move it down. Okay, that's looking about pretty good. Okay, and you can do that with any one of these colored frames. And then once you're happy with whichever one you're using, hit download, hit the page that you're using, hit done, hit download, and it's going to download the PNG file for you. Okay. Now you can do this with any one of these colors if you're a little bit more tech savvy, and obviously I'm not going to create a billion colors just so that everybody has every color in the world. If you know how to use Photoshop, I'm also going to include the Photoshop file in the download that you receive, and it's going to look a little bit something like this. So basically, if you have your own brand colors and you want to customize it and you have Photoshop, by all means, hit this little color swatch right here, enter your color code or select one from here, and then fill out this color, save it as a PNG. Right, I'm gonna go CH pink, replace, just because I already have that name already there. And then all you have to do really is just take this, drop it in here, right? And then now you're really much just ready to go, right? Boom, like that. And you can export it, there you go, now you have a pink one, right? So I'm gonna delete that, put it back to the template color. There you go. There you have it. That's how you set the color ring around it. Now I'm going to show you one more little bit of a hack that I didn't initially talk about at the beginning. Actually, I did. It's the second version. A lot of people actually like putting a colored background behind themselves. So what you can do, I'm going to show you, and it's all going to make sense once I show you. You can change the color background here. Let's just say I want to use a blue background, and then I'm going to go to a free tool called remove.bg, and then you're going to pull a profile picture of yourself, so a headshot rather. So I'm just going to use a stock profile picture, which I downloaded from Unsplash. Here's a profile picture. It's going to go remove the background for me. I'm going to hit download. And then what I'm going to do is just drag and drop it here and resize it. Now you see what it's done, right? It's put a color background behind my photo, and you can obviously even put a ring behind it as well. It's not going to be 100% perfect. You're going to notice a little bit of blurry bits around there, but honestly, when your profile picture is so little on your phone, it's not going to be noticeable to any extent, honestly. So you can change the color background whatever you like, and again, this is just going to help your profile picture stand out a little bit more amongst the sea of other Clubhouse users. So that's pretty much it for the tutorial. I hope it helped you guys out. If it did, please subscribe to the YouTube channel and also follow me on Clubhouse. I just got on there. It's at David Wong. Wong is spelled W-O-N-G. And let's just figure this out together, because honestly, I am so confused at the moment, but I am just excited to be an early mover on the app. And I just figured this out to help you guys stand out a little bit more, and I want to share it with you guys right away because I'm all about giving value. So again, if you want to download the templates, hit the link below this video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. See ya.